beautiful. I will be sharing with you how I do my loose two-strand twist. So about 3 days ago, I did wash my hair. I used my leave-in conditioner. Then I went in with a butter, which is my double butter from Hassan. Then I also used my DIY hair grease. Yes, that's the 3 products that I use. And guys, this is my hair now. I am about to do this loose two-strand twist. It's kind of a little bit tangled. So as I was saying, my natural hair is a bit tangled. Currently, this is how it's looking like, and I am about to do this loose two-strand twist. Since I already do has a video on this channel, me removing the knots and tangle from my hair, so I did not do that process on camera. Alright, before you do a loose two-strand twist, make sure your hair is clean, moisturized, and stretched. When it comes to two-strand twist, we usually make it a bit tighter so that it can loose after. But chunky two-strand twist is a little bit different from regular two-strand twist, just a little bit. Yes guys, chunky two-strand twist, you want to make sure the hair is not too loose, the hair is not too tight. The more looser the hair, the more body and volume you're going to get. So these tips I am about to share with you about loose two-strand twist is really important for beginners. Moisturize your hair the day before or the night before, then the next day you try to do your loose two-strand twist, which means your hair is already moisturized. The only thing you're going to be doing is trying to figure out how to do your loose two-strand twist instead of you trying to moisturize your hair at the same time. In this video, you're going to see me using comb on certain part, and in the other part, I'm just going to use my fingers parting the roll, because using your fingers to part the roll, it prevents breakage, guys. When your hair is tangled and knotty, the last thing you want to do is to use a comb or a brush. It's almost like you're asking for breakage. Alright, this is what I am doing here. Just using my Afro pick and parting this roll. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will use my fingers and light finger detangle again. After that, then I will use my brush or comb and comb that hair, and I will start to box spray my root. I will box spray my root about 3 to 4 times before loose two-strand twisting. If you realize the hair is too tight, take it down and retwist it again. Your hands should be very light on that hair. Whenever you twisting it, if you feel like some of the hair left behind, take it down and redo it. They say practice make perfect. After box spraying my hair about 3 to 4 times, yes, then I'm going to split that particular section of hair into 2 equal parts. Now this is where we're going to start doing our loose two-strand twist, guys. After splitting my hair into 2 equal parts, I'm going to take 1 strand of hair and twist it on top of the other, just like a rope twist. Box spray the root and loose two-strand twist the rest of the hair. The loose two-strand twist shouldn't be too tight, it shouldn't be too loose. Alright, divide your hair into a manageable section. It all depends on how large you want your chunky twist to be or how small you want it. Then you can use a hair clip to put back the hair that you are not working on before getting on the hair you are about to work on. Alright, let's try this again. I'm going to box spray this section of hair about 4 to 5 times. Then after that, then I will split the hair into 2 equal parts. Then I'm going to twist the hair on top of each other like a rope twist. Wrap the hair on top of each other. Make sure it's not too tight and it's not too loose. So I am going to split that section of hair into 3 equal parts. Kind of like I'm doing a box spray, but it's not. It's loose to strand twist. I'm going to box spray the roots of the particular section of hair. Then after that, then I will split the hair into 2 equal parts. Then I'm going to twist the hair on top of each other like a rope twist. Wrap the hair on top of each other. So this is what I really like about loose two-strand twist. It make our 4C hair to stand out in the crowd. Most of the time, whenever I want to show off my afro and tell the world how beautiful my 4C hair is, I like to do my loose two-strand twist. Have you seen a long 4C hair with a loose two-strand twist? You see how beautiful that is? Not just long, even shoulder length. I haven't done loose two-strand twist on the short afro hair, but loose two-strand twist on the shoulder length, on the long hair, it's like voila. It's just like, it looks so beautiful to me. It's like, this is the reason why I decided to stay natural and be natural. Yes, it's like, it just showcases our 4C hair. Anyway, guys, if you do enjoy this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Comment down below your favorite part about loose two-strand twist. Have you tried it before? If not, let me know in the comment below. And guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.